how to unbox this car, and I'm going to give you the demo in 3, 2, 1. Let's cut the tape off first. Yep, the tape did came off. Now first, let's unbox this. What did we get here, guys? Let's keep that aside. Oh, we did got the instruction manual. Let's check out the car. We got a charging plug. I think that's for charging the car. Oh, we did got a remote, and we did get the cool car. I think the it's charged because I hope so. Let's keep these all aside. I hope this works, guys, because the charging must be low. But let's give you the demo. Let's keep this upside down. No screws should be there like this, guys, as you guys can see here. And now let's flip it out upside down. It's a multi-side car, don't worry. Did they give the batteries? Yep, that's what, guys. If you hit this left button on the down of the steering wheel, it transforms the car, guys. It's like this. Before it was like this. When you click this button, it starts to transform it into a climbing car. It can be usually on mud and any platform. And I am going to show. Let's demorph this. I am going to show you how to keep the charging for the car. Now, guys, let's take a screwdriver that's really small. Now let's take, as you guys can see here, there are two really small screws here and two sides. Come on. Oh, we got this. Oh, let's see. These screws are really small, as you guys can see. Now, as you guys can see, we took the screws from here and here. Now take the right side and start pulling it up. Guys, when you remote, you get the battery. It's in yellow color. So guys, how to remove the battery? To catch the back side and push these, so they will come off, guys. Now let's show you how to keep the charging. They have given this insert. You can keep the charging plug. Now let's keep this. Now also the same instruction to do the plugging also. There is a top like this, but now this is the back side of the plug and this is the front side of the plug, guys. Now first push this and the back side and push this into inside and lock this, guys. You get this. Guys, under the sticker there is a red light that will blink while charging. After the charging, the red light will be stopped. On camera it's not visible because it's under this poster. You can keep the charging. For first day you must keep this charger for 4 hours. From second onwards you can keep 2 hours. 2 hours. If you keep 2 hours, it will come 1 hour, half the time. Let's show you how to insert the processor. Keep it inside the battery like this, guys. That's the main part. Now here there is a side hole and there is a battery inserter. The same way, and lock this, push this and push this, guys. And this is going to be a tight squeeze. Yep, that fits. Now push this all wire into the hole. Now first take this. There will be a back side. You must fit those first. Then press it and keep the screw really careful on here, guys, on the holes. Now take your screwdriver. Let's take this. First, while spinning it, it moves. But after 3 spins, it will be fit. Now let's take the left one and insert it and spin it. And let's rock and roll. The battery is on the left side. On and off is there. If you keep off, that doesn't work. When you keep it on, it works. Now this is the demo of the controlation. This, if you do this, it moves front. If you do this, it moves front, guys. If you do backwards, it goes back. If you do it right side, it moves right side. When you do it left side, it goes left side. And here is the transformation button. When you click it, done. And on the right side, here is a demo button. I'm going to click it and I'll show you the demo and also how to control the car. So guys, to control this, on the front mode and it goes back. Now let's keep on the demo mode and it goes automatically left and that goes demo automatically. When I click the left button, it transforms it in 3, 2, 1. As you guys can see, it shall be transformed. Goes not fast. See, now I am going to show you how it transforms and retransforms. Now click the button once on the left side down and it transforms. Again click the left button again and it transforms. There is a one mechanism. When you hold on the demo mode for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, you can do some playable and let's play. And we will transform it also. Let's go left, let's go right, let's go. As you can see, it's coming here. It's also, this is the racing mode of the car and this right is the climbing mode of the car, guys. It can be used for climbing or anything, and this is the normal racing and car. When you are in high levels where you get rocks, you can use this. See you in next video, guys.